I'm changing out the Spider, fuel injection for a 1996 Chevy pickup, uh, V8. It's got. So let me get down to it. Okay, I moved this bracket out of the way so I can get the bolts out of it. I'll just put them back in place and screw back those down. Just make sure you get all the wires out of the way so they're not impeding on what you need to do. Just make sure you remember where everything goes. You gotta pull this off, pull these out. There's a hose here you gotta pull out. It goes to the back. You can see that. I'll be back. Okay, I took out the last bolt that goes to this little bracket right here. It sits right down there on this hole here. These are easy. You just stick your finger pretty much underneath them, and if you pull up on them, they should pop right out. And just push those aside. Try not to get any fluid or anything. These are gas lines coming from the pump, and then they should, if you pull on it, it should just come right out. Give me a minute. Okay, this is your Spider here. This right here. These stems on here, you just pull them out, really. Just pull them, try to pull them straight up and out. This is the fuel regulator here. And you change out this O-ring. You change out this O-ring that goes around this, and then you change this head gasket here, and then the one that's at the top of it right there. You change all those out when you do the Spider. If you buy one at Auto Mechanic Place or O'Reilly or AutoZone or whatever, they're about $300 brand new. If you can find a good one, I got this one from a scrapyard. It was $100. I got a 30-day warranty on it, so if it doesn't work, I can at least take it back. Since I've already taken it apart once, it's pretty much riding a bicycle. You won't forget. Just remember to take pictures of where all the plugs are, so you make sure you get them all back in order. Alright, well, let me pull this off and let's see. Okay. I pulled out the old one. Here it is, hanging here. And it's flat. It's not, it doesn't have the good rounded edge anymore. The new one, it's got a pitched edge on it. See? It stands up. Just make sure you wash your hands and clean anything before you start touching stuff. I put it in with rubber gloves. Just go around and make sure every corner is in its groove, in its place, before setting it back. Okay, now I'm going to replace this gasket here. You can see it's already coming off. Okay, on top of these two right here, there's two little black gaskets that come in the package. They go around these. Sometimes when you pop these out, you'll lose those washers. So it's a good idea to replace those too. Keep your compression